Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for today is from a live webinar that I conducted. The question was, how much of your income should be allocated to real estate investment? Personally, I allocate around 70% of my income for real estate investments. Why? Because my goals line up with the benefits of real estate, and my age allows me to put more into investments. In terms of goals, real estate will allow me to build my wealth and also allow me to retire early with passive income quickly but safely. And because of this, I also have taken time to learn about the market, so I tend to focus my resources on what I know best, to maximize my gains and to minimize my risks. In terms of age, I'm also relatively young and I don't have many responsibilities yet. This allows me to minimize my expenses and have a lower level of liquidity compared to others who may have more financial responsibilities, such as taking care of dependents or more health concerns that come with age. Of course, how much you invest depends on your specific situation, goals, and financial responsibilities, so adjust accordingly. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.